It gives me immense pleasure to get associated with Indore Management Institute. And I must say, IMEI is certainly doing a commendable job by giving its students the practical know how insight about the industry, about the impact of COVID on each and every industry. So here I am. I'm Vivek Chugh, a real estate developer from Central India, working in Central India since last 3.5 decades. The name of our company is M Chugh Group, which was started in the year 1982 by my father, Mr. Mohan Chugh. Our recent developments include Grand Exotica, Ocean Park, Maple Woods, The One, The Mark, The Orbit, just to name the few. So I'm here to talk about the impact of COVID-19 on the real estate sector. As we all know, the current situation of COVID is going to impact almost each and every industry for a while. Majorly, it would impact the liquidity crunch in the economy. And I'm sure this would certainly improve as there are a lot of monetary and fiscal measures taken by the government, RBI, banks, so that the liquidity again can flow in the market. And I'm sure things would certainly stabilize once the liquidity is back again. So let me talk about real estate. I think once the liquidity crunch is solved, I'm sure real estate, especially the residential one, would certainly boost up. As we all were staying under lockdown, and we still are staying under lockdown for almost 6 weeks right now. So it was the home that was keeping us safe. So I'm sure the demand for houses would certainly go up once the person has liquidity in hands. Like those who were staying in rental accommodations would certainly prefer their own house. So like people generally don't invest much inside their rental house. They know it's someone else's. So why to invest in it? Why to make it more beautiful or something like that? It's like a temporary house. So once they have their own houses, they'll surely invest more. So even if in future there is such pandemic coming up, so people staying inside their own houses, they'll be more comfortable since they'll be designing it as per their own needs and comfort. So I'm sure residential demand to boost up. Then again, steps taken by many IT companies such as TCS, Infosys, just to name the few. They would be requiring only 25% of their staff to work at office. Rest 75% can work from home. So this would not only lead to reverse migration, like we all know, like people like all bright minds from Indore, from the IT sector, they had gone to work to Hyderabad, Pune, Bangalore, and other metros. So once they have the work from home option, they can certainly plan to come back to Indore. So this can certainly boost up demand in tier 2, tier 3 cities, like once the work from home option begins. And some IT companies have already started doing it. So this is one of the factor which I feel would real estate would be experiencing. And other thing what I feel personally is like after work from home and even like the schools won't be operating for next 7-8 months at least. So even the e-classroom things that have begun already, like many of the schools have already introduced, and many would be introducing from this month of June. So there would be a need for additional room in the house. Like if it was a 3 BHK, so there would be a need for another fully equipped room with good internet facility, a 100% power backup, where like an IT professional or anyone working from home or a student who is attending the e-classroom, attending the Zoom sessions or whatever, they can like comfortably like use that room for both the purposes. So even in our business, in our project Grand Exotica, we've introduced a concept of 3 BHK with a multi-purpose room, which has an additional attached toilet to it, and with internet and all these facilities, same ways we have done for 3, 4, and 5 BHK. So this is currently what I feel is the need of the hour. So even those like who are staying in compact homes, like they can, and with government giving home loans at such a low rate now, like it's 7.5%, which I think it's lowest in last 15, 16 years. So I think it's a good opportunity for a home buyer, like someone who was planning to buy somewhere around 1500, 1600 square feet apartment. He can, with such perks coming in, like 7.5%, I'm sure it can even go down further by say 0.15 or 0.2%, even more. It's expected to go down. So someone who was planning to buy 1500, 1600 can switch to 1800 to 2000 square feet apartment as well with such perks given. So I'm sure the industry would boost up again once the liquidity is there. So now it was totally overwhelming to get associated with IMI, and we are looking forward for such association even in the future. And for those who are watching the video, It's a kind request to stay home and stay safe.